Hope everybody's doing okay. I'm doing good too. And I'm going to make a medley bhujia with carrots, potatoes, and pea pods. That's Aloo Gajar Matar ki bhujia. So I'm going to use mustard oil because mostly in vegetables I like mustard oil. Let me put the flame down a little bit. Not the flame, the heat. Alright, looks like it's nicely heated up. A few pieces of dry chilies, a little bit of olive oil, some dry curry leaves because I don't have the other one. So if I had cumin seeds, I will use the cumin seed, यानी जीरा इस्तेमाल कर सकती हूँ मैं इसमें. And when you start smelling the aroma, जब उसकी खुशबू आनी शुरू हो जाए, add the प्याज. A little bit of salt. When it start turning translucent, जब इस तरह का हो जाए ये, इसका कलर चेंज होने लगे तो हम इसमें डालेंगे जिंजर एंड गार्लिक पेस्ट, around a tablespoon. Okay, that should be enough. Half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. 4th teaspoon of turmeric, हल्दी, जीरे का पाउडर और हल्दी, इसको डाल के अच्छे से आप उसको पकने दें थोड़ी देर. हाफ टी स्पून अमचूर पाउडर डालेंगे खटाई के लिए, थोड़ा सा उसमें खट्टा हो जाएगा. मैं नहीं धोने हैं, मैं धो लूँगी, नो वरीज. सबसे पहले एडिंग द कैरेट. Because the carrots take longer to cook, so सबसे पहले गाजर इसलिए ऐड करेंगे कि गाजर को टाइम लगता है पकने में. And then adding the potatoes. That's 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, dry leaves or methi, dry methi leaves. Fresh methi is the best, but if you don't have fresh methi, then you can use the dry leaves. They are very fragrant. बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आती है इस भुजिया में मेथी लीव्स की. Now we are going to let it cook for a little bit. Let's give it 10 minutes and then we will check back on it. I'm going to bring the camera down so you can see. This is looking fantastic and it's smelling very nice too. If I had a smell-o-vision, I'll make you smell this fantastic dish. Because of the methi leaves, suddenly the dishes become very, very fragrant. And potatoes and methi leaves go together. And when you add the carrots and I will add the peas, the pea pods, it's going to be fantastic. So far we have not added any water to it. I'm just going to keep stirring it, and if you think you need water, what you can do is keep some boiled water handy and you can add it. If you want to add tomatoes to it, go ahead, but I don't have any need for tomatoes. I'm trying to keep it simple. No garam masalas, just the basic things. Every Indian and Pakistani dish, um, the base for those dishes, for our Indian Pakistani dishes, the base is always onion, ginger, and garlic. After that, you can add the spices accordingly, whatever spices you like. Some spices we like more, some we like less, according to one's taste. So I'm not adding chili powder, I'm adding, like right here, I'm adding the whole chilies. I put them in, make a little tarka for it. So whoever wants chili is gonna have to break that chili in their own place. The video I posted before this, I was showing you how I make the pea pods, how I take the harder skin from inside और जो होते हैं मटर के छिलके में से अंदर से उसको कैसे मैंने किया था वो शॉर्ट्स वीडियो में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है. So this is what I got out of them. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. Those are the sweet peas and the pods. Again, let's stir it, and then we will cover it for a little while because it's going to be cooked. It's going to be cooked in its own steams. Or you can add like a few drops of boiling water and then cover it so you have a little more steam. Everything cooks in the steam. For me, the most delicious dishes are no water added dishes. You cook them on low heat, you don't burn them. So, you know, keep the flame low and just cook them and then cover them and let them cook in the steam. There you go. I covered it and I'm going to let it steam for 10 minutes. Added a little, like, 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Cover it like that, and then you are going to let it steam, and then after 10 minutes we will check on it. You see how the steam is building up? All this is the steam that I'm going to cook my vegetables in. You can see that. Nice, huh? ये वो स्टीम है, ये स्टीम के अंदर ही ये सारा पक जाना है. आलू और गाजर दोनों इसी के अंदर पकेंगे इंशाल्लाह, और अभी आपको दिखाते हैं फ्यू मिनट्स के बाद. जी, तो जनाब अब टाइम हो गया है इसको खोलने का. आप देखें कितनी प्यारी स्टीम जो है वो आ रही है. दिस स्टीम is wonderful, and the way it smells right now, I think it might be cooked. The carrots and the potatoes and the pea pods and the fenugreek leaves, everything mixed together. Aroma is awesome. Let's check it out. At this point, if you want to, you can go ahead. Everything is getting nice and soft. You can add some crushed tomatoes if you want. In a minute, I will check if the potatoes are done. You can see we have some tomato puree. I'm not a fan of it, but I made this the other day. So I'm going to let this melt in there slowly. Let's bury it with vegetables so it can, just to give it a little extra taste. But if you don't want it, you don't have to. Okay, I'm going to cover it for another minute. Let's check on this now. I think it's done. Yes, you can see that. नाइस मॉइस्चर इन देयर। अच्छा सा ये ड्राई नहीं हुआ है, बहुत अच्छा हो गया है। इट्स सुपर डुपर सॉफ्ट, aroma is so good. Everything is perfectly cooked. I don't like the carrots to dissolve or the potatoes to lose their shape. So this is just perfect. You want a closer look? Let's do that. करीब से भी देखें कितना अच्छा बना है। ये देखें जी कितना अच्छा बन गया है। ठीक। So you can have it with roti, you can have it with rice. Let me make a plate for you. I already have the roti here and I have the rice. Let's add some vegetables for you. सब्जी भी दें आपको और आपकी प्लेट जो है रेडी हो गई है। Oh, too many peppers. All right, I'll take few out. Whoa, all peppers are on the same spot. All right, your plate is ready. आपका खाना हो गया है तैयार। Enjoy. To enjoy this dish, you will have to make it. If you don't make it, then you will not know what you're missing. So this is, let me get one pepper, put it right here for you. There you go. Bismillah. If you want, because I don't put too much salt, you can just add a little bit of sea salt on top of it and your plate is ready. Let me know what you think of this. You have to let me know. So leave me some comments. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. And how do you make it? Let me know. All right, guys. So the food is ready and I'm super duper hungry. So I'm going to eat now. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Or if you don't want to subscribe, at least share my video with somebody who likes vegetables. It's not overly spicy and it's very yummy and my hand is burning now. So bye bye. Ooh, hot.